Hi students, hope you are all fine. Today I am going to explain a trick, very simple trick to solve the numericals based on order of a reaction. Suppose a numerical is given like this, x plus y gives z, the concentration of x, y are given and rate of the reaction also is given. Suppose concentration of x diy is 0.5 is suppose 1.5, 0.5 and concentrations of y are given as is 0.2, 0.2 and 0.4 and the rates of the reactions are mentioned like 3 into 10 raised to minus 5, 27 into 10 raised to minus 5 and 24 into 10 raised to minus 5. ऑर्डर ऑफ द रिएक्शन क्या है पूछेगा. ऐसे न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने के लिए एक सिंपल ट्रिक है स्टूडेंट्स. सी दिस, वेरी सिंपल इट इज. इंक्रीज इन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन raised to order is equal to increase in rate of the reaction. Very simple trick it is. Increase in concentration raised to order is equal to increase in rate of the reaction. इसका ट्रिक समझाता थोड़ा. Try to follow the way I am saying, way I am explaining. Concentration of the reactants अगर double हुआ, rate of the reaction also if it gets doubled, first order reaction. See, concentration of reactants gets doubled, rate also doubled, first order reaction. Concentration doubles but the rate increases by 4 times. Double 4 times. 2 raised to 2 is 4. Second order reaction. Once again. Concentration of reactant doubled, rate also doubled, first order. Concentration doubled, rate increases by 4 times, second order. Concentration doubled, rate increases by 8 times. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So it is third order. Once again. Doubled, first order. Doubled 4 times, second order. Doubled 8 times, third order. See, once again. If the concentration is tripled, means 3 times. Tripled. Rate of the reaction also tripled, first order. Tripled 9 times, second order. Tripled 27 times, third order. क्योंकि 3 raised to 1 is 3, 3 raised to 2 is 9, 3 raised to 3 is 27. So, you can solve the numericals based on this concept. Let me explain this numerical. See, suppose you need to solve the order of the reaction with respect to x. X की हिसाब से order of the reaction calculation करना है. So it's a very simple concept that if you need to calculate the constant rate of the reaction, so order of the reaction with respect to x, you need to put y constant. x के हिसाब से order calculation करना है तो y को constant रखना पड़ता है. Check from where to where y is kept constant. Here 0.2, here 0.2, यहां से यहां तक y constant है. अब ये लाइन भूल जाओ. यहां से यहां तक y को कांस्टेंट रख के x का कंसंट्रेशन कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है? 0.5 से 1.5, 0.5 से 1.5. 0.5 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1.5 होता है? 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो दैट मींस द कंसंट्रेशन इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 3 टाइम्स. सो इंक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन कितना? 3 रेज्ड टू ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू इंक्रीज इन रेट कितना है चेक करो. 3 को 27, 3 is converted to 27. 10 raised to minus 5 तो कॉमन है. So 3 is converted to 27. 3 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 27 आता? 3 9s are 27 ना. So that means rate has increased by 9 times. So 9 you write. And 9 can be written as 3 raised to 2. That means bases are same. Order powers also will be same. That means order of the reaction कितना? 2. So order of the reaction with respect to x कितना है students? 2. अभी y के हिसाब से ऑर्डर कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए x को कांस्टेंट रखना पड़ता. ऑर्डर विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू y. ऑर्डर विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू y. y के हिसाब से कैलकुलेशन करना है तो x को कांस्टेंट रखो, x यहां से यहां तक चेंज हो रहा, यहां से यहां तक भी चेंज हो रहा, लेकिन यहां से यहां तक x कांस्टेंट है, फॉरगेट दिस लाइन नो, ये भूल जाओ, सिर्फ ये दोनों कंसीडर करो, यहां से यहां तक x कांस्टेंट है, सो x को कांस्टेंट रख के y का कंसंट्रेशन कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है देखो, 0.2 से 0.4, 0.2 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 0.4 होता है, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, दैट मींस इंक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन कितना, 2 टाइम्स, इंक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन 2 टाइम्स, राइज टू ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू इंक्रीज इन रेट, देखो ये 3 ये 24, 3 से 24, 3 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया था 24 होता बच्चे 8 से, that means increase in rate is 8, so 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3, so base is same, power is also same, that means order of the reaction is 3. So with respect to x order is 2, with respect to y order is 3, the total order of the means इसका rate equation और rate का expression कैसे लिख सकते हैं, r is equal to concentration of x raised to कितना, x के हिसाब से order 2 into concentration of y raised to कितना 3, so the total order of the reaction will be 2 plus 3, that is 5. So very simple, सिर्फ means अपन पेन पेपर यूज करे बिना भी इधर की इधर ही डायरेक्टली चेक करके न्यूमेरिकल का आंसर लिख सकते, कैसे, फिर से y को कांस्टेंट रखे, x को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 टाइम्स 3 रेज टू ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद ये आ रहे, दैट मींस यहाँ पे 9, 3 रेज टू n इज इक्वल टू 9, दैट इज 3 स्क्वायर, सो ऑर्डर इज 2, एंड y के हिसाब से यहां तक x को कांस्टेंट रख के y कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा, 0.2 से 0.4, बोले तो डबल, so 2 raised to order is equal to rate increases by 3 से 24, 3 multiplied by 8 is 24, so increase in rate is 8, that is 2 cube, 2 raised to 3, so order is 3. So very simple, you can calculate the numericals in this way, right? We'll see one more example. Suppose a reaction is given like this, A plus B gives C. The concentrations of A and B are given like this. The concentration of A, concentration of B and rate of the reaction. ठीक है? Suppose this is given as ठीक है 2.3. This is given as 0.5. This is 4.6, this is 0.5, this is 2.3 and this is 1.5, and rates of reactions are, suppose this is 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 minus 4, and this is suppose 16 into 10 raised to minus 4, and this is suppose 54 into 10 raised to minus 4, ठीक है, order of the reaction क्या है पूछ रहे, so let me solve this once again. See this, first we'll solve the rate of the reaction, order of the reaction with respect to A के हिसाब से order calculation करना है तो B को constant रखना पड़ेगा, B कहां से कहां तक constant है बच्चे, 0.5 यहां से यहां तक B को constant रख के ये कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है देखो, 2.3 multiplied by 2, 2.3 को डबल किया तो 4.6 आता है, so rate of the reaction doubled, so sorry concentration of A doubled raised to order is equal to rate कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है, 2 से 16, 2 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 16 आता है, 8, that means the increase in rate is how much, 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3, that means order of the reaction with respect to A is 3. Now with respect to B, B के हिसाब से ऑर्डर कैलकुलेशन करना है तो A को कांस्टेंट रखना पड़ेगा, A को कांस्टेंट रखना है, यहां से यहां तक तो A चेंज हो रहा, and A is changing from here to here also, but from here to here A is kept constant, from here to here A is kept constant, ये भूल जाओ, forget this line. So when A is kept constant, how many times B has increased, 0.5 to 1.5, 0.5 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1.5 होता है 3 से, so the increase in concentration is how much, 3 raised to order is equal to, यहां से यहां तक increase in rate कितना है 2 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 54 आता है. 2 into 27 is 54. That is 27. 27 can be written as 3 raised to 3. Bases same, power same, order of the reaction is 3. Therefore, the final order of the reaction will be how much? 3 plus 3, that is 6. So you can solve any kind of numericals based on this simple trick. Okay, suppose a reaction is given like this. A reaction is given like this. The rate equation is directly, suppose rate equation is given like this for a reaction. R is equal to K into concentration of A raised to 2 into concentration of B raised to 3. This is the rate equation. Suppose he says that the concentration of A is tripled. If concentration of A is tripled and concentration of B is doubled, final rate will be how much? Final rate कितना है पूछ रहे. Concentration of A is tripled and concentration of B is doubled. ठीक है. तो ये न्यूमेरिकल्स भी यही सेम सिंपल से ट्रिक से सॉल्व करने का है. इतना पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है इसमें. ऑर्डर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू ए कितना है मालूम है कितना? 2. विद रेस्पेक्ट टू बी कितना है? 3. सो फाइनल रेट क्या रहेगा? डायरेक्ट सिंगल स्टेप. नो नीड टू गो विद large number of steps, many number of steps and waste your time. Direct answer. See, concentration of A कितना हुआ? tripled ना 3 raised to order कितना A के हिसाब से increase in concentration raised to order tripled 3 times raised to order कितना 2 into concentration of B कितना increase हुआ? doubled बोले तो 2 times raised to B के हिसाब से order कितना है? 3. So 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 3. 3 raised to 2 is 9 into 2 raised to 3 is 8. 9 8s are 72 times. So the rate of the reaction increases by 72 times. So whether it is this tabular form of numerical or it is a sentence form of a numerical, you can solve it in a simplest way based on order of a reaction. Hope you got it. Thanks.